Estonia's eID system is based on public key infrastructure and uses carefully chosen cryptographic methods based on best practices. The private key is in the sole possession of its user. The key is created and stored on the chip that is located in the eID carrier, a smart card or SIM card chip. In Estonia, state-issued eID is a reliable method of identification, as the individual's identity is established in accordance with the regulation of identity documents. It means that the person's physical identification by the authorities is required when the document is issued. The technical solution includes a device that is in the individual's possession and under his or her sole control. To ensure system security and reliability, inclusion of a generally accepted and trusted certification authority is required. Certificates for both keys needed for authentication and electronic signing contain individuals' identification data. The certification authority has to be regularly audited and comply with international standards and requirements. Certification services provided by these authorities are also described in the trusted list of the EU and accepted by all the EU member states, particularly in the public sector. Estonia's eID end-user software and electronic signature integration software are open-source solutions providing transparency and an open platform for all interested parties. All documentation and instructions for using, implementing and developing eID are publicly available. Therefore, it is easy for companies and IT developers to integrate state-issued eID components in their products and services and possibly contribute to software development. Open-source software provides opportunities for anyone to follow its logic and check whether the installed software originates from the source code. Open-source software allows all interested parties, including the private sector and academia, to benefit from it without registration or other limitations. Though the solutions are open source, regular security tests are conducted to make certain that best practices are being utilized. Therefore, the uniform and open platform ensures transparency and trust, as well as compatibility. The use of Estonia's eID public key certificates is unlimited. Public sector and public e-services where identification is required have to acknowledge and implement state-issued eID. Although the eID system is government-backed, its use is not limited to the public sector. The public key infrastructure used in Estonia allows anyone to gain access and use the eID public keys, and to check for certificates' authenticity and validity without limitations. As a general rule, services provided by Estonia's public sector are available online. The state's interoperability framework stipulates best security practices to be used by state-issued eID. According to the eIDAS, Estonia's eID is acknowledged with the highest level of assurance within the EU. This status grants access to all public sector e-services in all EU countries. Estonia's eID system is secure, reliable and transparent. It continues to develop and adapt to changes within the environment.